The topic we are going to see is regression. Okay, the word regression means it is the average relationship between two variables. Okay, average relationship between two variables. Okay, so this word was coined by Sir Francis Galton. Okay, Sir Francis Galton. Okay, so here the regression means it is the average relationship between two variables. Okay, see for example, if I take a variable x comma y, okay, so two variable, if x increases, x changes, okay, x changes, how much quantity the y changes, okay, how much quantity the y changes. Okay, this we can find by using regression. Okay, see for example this x is nothing but plant height. Okay, uh, and why I'm taking as yield. Okay, plant yield. Okay, so if the plant rate if the plant rate increase by, okay, if the plant rate increase by 1 centimeter, then how much the yield will increase. Okay, how much the yield will increase. Okay, that we can find by using how much the yield will increase. Okay, that we can find by using regression. Okay, so this is the average relationship between two variables to find the quantity of change. Okay, so this relationship we can find by fitting a model. Okay, by fitting a model we will find this relationship. Fitting a linear regression model. Okay, so by fitting the linear regression model we will find this average relationship. Okay, so there are two models there. Okay, so one model is y is equal to a plus bx plus error. Okay, and another model is x is equal to a plus by plus error. Okay, so by fitting this model to the data we can find the relationship. We can find the average relationship between the x and y. Okay, so in this model we can find change in x. Okay, how much quantity y changes. Okay, so by using this model we can find the quantity of y changes. Okay, by using this model we can find change in y how much quantity x changes. Okay, so this b is called, so here this b is called regression coefficient. Okay, and a is called constant.